Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, quick and easy fried pork chop. Let's get into the recipe. So we're going to start off with some clean washed pork chop. I did pat it dry, and I'm going to list everything I use in my description or the caption. You want to mix your seasonings very well to combine to give it an even distribution onto the pork. We're going to use half the seasonings on the pork and the other half we will use it in the breading. So I'm going to crack one egg and I'm going to add a tablespoon of this island spice oil. I will link this down below for those that are interested. And we will, like I said, add half of the seasoning onto the pork and the other half we will save it. You want to get in there with your hands and just mix until it is well combined. Make sure all the pieces are well coated. Once done, we're going to set aside to marinate for about an hour or two. Now for the breading, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour and I'm going to add a half cup of cornstarch. We're going to add the remaining seasoning, mix well to combine and set aside. Next, you're going to go ahead and coat your pork chops very well with the breading. Make sure you press the flour in. And then we're going to shake off the excess, set it to the side and let it rest for 15 minutes before frying. Here I have my preheated oil. I'm going to drop my pork chops in. I'm going to fry 2 at a time because the fryer is small and I don't want to overcrowd it. So we're going to fry this for about 6 to 8 minutes. As you can see, the pork chops are super thin, so they won't take a long time to cook. After that, you're going to set those to the side and proceed with the others until you're all done. Here you have it, my version of a quick and easy but yet delicious fried pork chop. Give it a try and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy.